So I had a short entry yesterday on Bitcoin, taking out these local highs here, and I think the CME fulfilling CME gap, perhaps, or maybe that was earlier. Anyway, like, so since then and overnight, so we did get a small reaction off that level, but it just went down into hourly demand, and then subsequently we created a 3-day demand and on Korea, a 3-day and 2-day on the Korea pair, and a 2-day demand on the CME pair, which has obviously been picked up as support now. So obviously that makes this short then becomes significantly more risky. Unfortunately, it didn't come down either to test the long entry that I had on this sort of 8-12 hour demand in here from yesterday's stream. So yeah, like, so now looking possibility of taking out these highs, and yeah, CME also has equal highs up there. Korea is obviously still very strong, so, and as I reiterate what I always say, that shorts are obviously lower probability, while Bitcoin is being very bullish. So yeah, first level of interest would be just taking out those highs, and the next one would be again back in this 113 to 127 box, if we're going to get a failed wave. But if it's bullish, it could just go straight through there. You're just looking for a reaction in that area. And to the downside, yeah, so I had the 12 hour, let me just increase the chart so you can see. Unfortunately, just like when we have these big moves, that then end up being lots and lots of zones to look out for. So the most recent being this 12-hour demand from yesterday, which I was hoping we'd get a test already, but hasn't. I don't love the zone. I don't know why. There's just something about it I don't love. But yeah, I guess we'll see if it gets tested. Then I also left in this entry, so if you remember, the wick here didn't quite hit the 15-minute zone that I wanted. Yeah, I reset that alert in case it just comes and takes out that wick, but it's not necessarily a high probability now. We've gone up so much higher. Then additionally, there's been quite a few alerts hitting now. We have this weekly demand that we already went into, and again, just missed the alert that I had on this 12-hour, just taking out the lows here. So again, so now there's a few too many levels, so it just becomes hard. But if you're looking, if we do get a rejection, you're looking the 61 to 78 area would be higher probability than taking these entries, and these are just for possible scalps.